Mr. Sneed presented to the hospital in the first quarter of 2025 with a poorly healing right ankle wound, which was progressively worsening. Could not walk. He had no feeling in the right foot.
I was barely able to get from my bed to the bathroom. I had difficulty getting out of the bed, actually, to get to the bathroom. I've had a wound on my right leg for approximately a year and a half. It hurt a lot, but it began to smell. I didn't realize what was going on.
He did have a diagnosis of peripheral arterial disease. He was slowly getting a little worse.
Dr. Goldin's team found that I had blockages in my legs, and they were very educational. He showed me pictures, explained exactly what was happening.
The way we do this is through a needle stick, essentially an IV placed in the groin or in the ankle artery. We were able to open up the arteries below the knee, and then using the laser atherectomy device, we're able to debulk the plaques, meaning reduce them significantly to allow the artery to stay open better.
I'm never going to be 25-year-old strong again, but I'm much stronger now than I was 2 years ago.
Even after the first treatment, his first hospitalization, I remember what he told me. I saw him, it was either later that day or the next morning, and he's like, "Doc, I can feel my leg, I can feel my foot."
Dr. Goldin has been very inspirational because he seems ambitious about what he's doing. And he explains it in detail. It's like he doesn't say, "Look, I know what to do. I'm going to do it and you'll be fine." No, he shows me pictures, shows me what the veins look like with the blood flowing, showed me what it looked like when they weren't flowing.
Resulted in more open arteries and better flow and return of his sensation to his right foot, and near complete wound healing. Should be essentially completing wound healing any day now.
I'm much healthier than I was when I first met the team here at AdventHealth. And like I said, Dr. Goldin is a real whiz kid. I think him, Melman, and Thakar work closely together, and the treatment is working very great for me.